Hey guys, what's up? And in this video I'm showing you guys how to make a custom character rig in Roblox. I've watched some tutorials. They don't really, explain what's going on, or they type and it's at like 10 FPS, so this is at like 60, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna explain to you guys how to do this. So first you gotta get the rig edit plugin. You can get the light one, or you can get the paid version. I got the light one because it works perfectly fine. Then you just gotta make a character. It's pretty simple. I can show you guys right now. I can actually just copy this guy because he's not even made yet. He has all of the rig things, but I didn't do it right because I didn't know what I was doing. So I guess we can make a quick little character here. If we just, do something random and not care what it looks like, just make it work. And then I'm going to explain the scripting. So it's pretty simple actually. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. So let's just say this is our character. Obviously, you would have more items. Actually, we need more just because it's going to yell at us if we don't. So, let's just add in what we're doing an R6 rig, which is easy. It might yell this, but it doesn't matter. So we need, let's just duplicate this to call this the other thing, and then we'll just duplicate it and then move it over, I guess. I'm just doing a very sloppy rig so I can explain to you guys how this works. So this is our arm. Say hi to our arm. Hi, arm. Actually, that's a little too broken. Okay, so we'll get the Control D and we will scoot it over. I'll put my Twitch link in the description. You guys can watch me live stream. I haven't live streamed for a while. I might do it tomorrow, I'm thinking. So, yes. Okay, so that's our basic character. This is our head, so we will rename it head. Rename head. And if you're doing custom characters like I do, it's going to be kind of hard, I guess. So we need to call something our humanoid root part. So let's just call this the humanoid. Can't really spell humanoid root part. So that's humanoid. Yeah, okay, yeah. So then we just name these whatever, just something you'll remember. This is left, this is right. So just rename it like upper right arm. No spaces though. Don't do what I did. Do not put spaces because it will yell at you later. Now, there's easier ways of doing this, but I'm just doing it like as if you were, making a fully custom character. So I can explain the scripting part. Let's see, upper left arm, and then a lower right arm. So, lower right arm. Rename to lower. It doesn't. Normally I would use capitals, but whatever. Lower right arm. Wait, is that right? That's left. Yeah. Pretty sure. Let's double check that actually. Right, left, and left. Okay, good. So we'll do left leg. Rename left leg. Normally you do like upper or lower, but we don't have that, so it doesn't really matter. Right leg. That's head. That's humanoid root part. We can call this whatever. Let's just call it torso because we also need a torso. What did I do? Oh, I just moved. So this is our torso. So yay. Woohoo. This is our foot. This is our left foot. Rename left foot and right foot. I wish my things would work right like they're supposed to. Right foot. Okay, so we should have a left leg, a left foot. Okay, I'm just making sure I didn't name those wrong. Okay, so now it comes into the plugin. So you just open the plugin, click. Oh wait. No. Let's see. Take all of these. First, make a folder. So it's kind of like using a model, except you can actually click stuff. So put it in a folder. Yay. So open the plugin. It's going to ask you to get a rig to model. So we'll just model this thing, like all of these, that dog thing I just finished. Okay, so what we need to do first is we need to set the torso, which we need to rename. It needs to be capitalized torso and capitalized head and capitalized. Okay, so we need to create a joint. We need to click the torso and the humanoid blue part and do that. Actually, no, that was backwards. Sorry. Humanoid root part to torso. Do that. Doesn't really matter where it's at. Then what we do is we do head, and that goes to torso, which I don't know why it didn't rename. Torso. Okay, let me delete that. Delete it. Delete. Okay, so this to torso. Yes. And then head to torso. Yes. And then we just move it to where it would I normally do like 0.1 and then just like put it where I think it belongs, which is in between. It doesn't really matter, honestly. If you're actually trying, you want to actually, get it right or whatever, then yeah, you can do that. Torso. Okay, yeah. And then we just pretty much just set these up. So we have foot. So let's do right foot to right leg. Or is it the other way? It's no. It's torso to right leg. Create, and then you just move it to the pivot point of where it would be edited in the animation editor. So, obviously you want to try to do this, which I'm not really doing because I kind of don't care, but you get the point. Left leg, yes, great joint, and then move that up to where you can edit. Okay, yeah, that doesn't matter. Just move it to where you can edit it. Don't do what I did and screw it up. But yeah, actually, where is this right leg? Why is it so big? Is it big? Yeah, it's too big. Hang on. Scale there. So we're gonna have to, we have to redo that part, which doesn't hurt. Torso to, what was that, right leg or left leg? That's left leg. Left leg? What? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. No, not right. Left leg. Okay, torso, left leg. Create joint. Move the joint to the pivot point. Good enough. And then we just do the leg to the foot. So we just do that. Create joint. And you just move it the pivot point to around. I mean, obviously, if you're actually trying to do this, then try to make it look good. Unlike me right now, but you get the point. You just gotta try, which I'm not really doing, but I'm doing that on purpose because I don't really care about this one. I'm just explaining to you guys how to do it because nobody else can seem to do that, which is no surprise. Okay, so now we gotta put torso to arm, so it's upper arm, I think, or maybe arm. We can close all those, close the foot, leg, lower arm. Where's upper arm? Right here. Okay, so torso to upper arm. Make a joint. Now, normally, you would, name it where it's supposed to be or whatever, but I didn't do that. So yeah, oops, but it doesn't matter. Just make it look like it's supposed to, which I definitely didn't do, but I wasn't thinking, so what a surprise. Yeah, you just edit it to where it's pretty much in the, right there, and then your arms are done, so now you just gotta put the, the hand or lower arm part. So you just go to the right and go to right and create joint, and then move this, and then do the same thing here. So this to this. No, not right. Left. No, left. If you guys are wondering how I'm clicking, I'm control clicking instead of shifts, because if you shift click, it'll click everything. Okay, so that's pretty much that done. Yeah, so we have that part done. So now what we need to do is we need to make a thingy really quick. So we need to put in a humanoid, which is really easy if I could find it. Humanoid. There we go. Now, of course, we want to set it to R6 because we don't have an upper torso in this, which, whatever. So yeah, make a new, or I guess you can just take everything and, sorry, that and that, and do that, and then rename it to whatever. We can rename it tutorial, and then put it in workspace. Woo! Clap. Okay. Yeah, so for the rig building, we're going to have to actually do something. So this is what tutorials don't teach you how to do, okay? This is what they don't teach you. You gotta listen to this part. In order to make a animation for your person, you have to go to the, click on primary part and click humanoid root part. In other words, you cannot make an animation at all. So that's great. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure there's nothing in starter character, which there is for me because I built one already. So now it's in rep, so it won't do anything. So, as you can see, the only way we can walk with this and have it in is if we call it starter character. Unless we want to script it, which we obviously don't want to do. So let's test that. That should work. If it doesn't, I need to check some things. Probably everything's anchored, which means, oh, no, okay, that's good. So if we walk, we're able to walk. Now, as you can see, they put this stupid thing on because we named it torso, so we need to add a mesh to it, which will fix that. So just go to block mesh and it removes the stupid little thingies. And then we need to modify the block or the hip height to something that sounds about right. Let's try 5. Will probably be really high, but we can edit it as we're sitting there. Yeah, that's a little high, I think. Let's actually check that. Me, humanoid, and walk height. So 6, 8, 15. Yeah, 15 is too high. 10 is too low. 13 is too high. 12 too low. Okay, we'll just do 12.5. Yes, we're still elevated. Okay, so now we should be able to walk without a problem, which is perfect. So now for the animation part. Close out the plugin. We're just gonna build the animation. So we gotta remove the starter character and put it into workspace. And then we need to what do you call it? Anchor the humanoid root part so that nothing yells at us. We're gonna let Roblox crash. Okay, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's be thankful we're on a team created. Auto saves everything if it crashes. So yeah, Roblox Studio is not being nice whenever you open the animation editor. So okay, so let's put it here. So normally I'd have it on the other screen, but I can't really do that because you can't see. So you create rig air more than one. What? Let's see what I did wrong. Report. Oh, are we R6? Yes, we are R6. What happened? Following parts are affected by more than one part via motor 6 torso. The following parts are affected by more than one part via motor 6. Torso? Torso is being affected more than... What? Okay. What animation editor? I think you're retarded. Let's check torso and see what the hell it's talking about. Left leg, right leg, upper arm, lower arm. Humanoid root part, torso. Make sure these are all right. Left leg, upper leg, blah blah blah. Make sure that, yeah, left leg, right leg, upper arm goes to lower, and head. Why does head have torso in it? Torso is supposed to have head in it. Okay, that's what I did wrong. I see what I did. So, torso is supposed to have, no, not that. Torso is supposed to have head, not head is supposed to have torso. There we go. Okay, so make sure you don't do that. Animation editor, click the rig, create. I know. There we go. Okay, so let's make a quick little walking animation. It's going to look bad. I already know that. But whatever. So, yay. Do 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 Now we're just gonna go over V, move these to 1, so that way, yeah, there's our walking animation. So now we check it. We're walking very slow. Now if we loop, so there's our very, very professional. 0.8 is what they normally use. So we can just use 0.8 or whatever we want. It doesn't really matter. There's our walking animation. We can do whatever we want. If you've never animated, then that's sad. But yeah, just get... What I normally do is I actually select every single thing here, and then click R, and then click, and then it'll get all the positions, so that way you can just mess with anything you want. So if we wanted to turn the head or whatever we want, then yeah, we can do that by rotation. Or not that rotation, sorry, do not use that rotation. Uh-oh. Okay. I hate doing that, because then I can't do anything. Oopsies. Okay, there we go. So, we just do that. Now it should spin. And then if we get... Let's see, so we have to get the head. So I just normally, edit everything we wanted to do before copying over, but I was showing you the walk animation. So you copy, paste, and then it should spin back. Maybe it doesn't know it has to spin. Let's see, so it has to go. Let's actually edit it so it knows where to go. Okay, yeah, so it knows it has to spin, but it's going the wrong direction. Because we want it to spin in like an actual circle type of thing. So if we watch, it might look a little clunky, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's our animation, pretty fast actually. Woo. So now what you do is you click File, you export, and it's on my other screen. So here, you can click New, name it, blah blah blah, finish, get the code, yay, X, cool. Now you can close the animation editor. Now what you need to do is you need to join the game without a character. Okay, you take your character, like your actual character, take the animation script, Control C, quit, go into this thing, actually no, go into starter player, and paste that in. Now you need to change some things, so it's actually really smart. I've found this out. If you open up the plugins, right, and you click yes, I know, then you have this thing, which tells you all of the names. Now I'm going to tell you why this is important. So, okay, let's just have it right here, I guess. So we just need the names. Okay, so what we're doing is we need to change the names of the parts. So we have torso, right? So I just delete everything here except for humanoid. We don't have a neck, so it doesn't matter. So we pretty much just we copy this, and we do local, and then whatever it's called. So if we look over here, we have right leg equals, and then it's in torso, so you do torso, wait for child, and then whatever it's called, so right leg. So here's the thing. you have these. Okay. Now, if you have a very complex character, which we obviously do not have, like this dude over here, where is he? The little doggy. He has multiple parts on his legs and arms, I guess. So the way we fix that is, well, we don't fix. We just need to define this. So let's say there was another part here, which is right foot. So we actually do have another part, so I can explain this. So copy this code right here, paste it below, do right foot, or whatever it's called. The name here doesn't really matter. It's going to be looking for it here, so it just changes the name. So we're not looking in the thing. We're looking in the animation, which we're going to have to move the animation spots, because right now they're all in each spot. So we need to move them in a torso through the directory that we're shooting them through. So right now we would have right leg, because it's the easiest way of doing this. Wait for child, right foot. Or wherever you save the animation. It's just easier to do this. So we could do the same thing for left. Just rename it to left. Left foot equals, let's see, left foot. Left foot. Left foot equals, and then we need to make a left leg. So we just copy this. Paste it. Left. Left leg equals that left leg. And then we're looking in left leg, not right leg, so left leg. Okay, so we have the legs, we have the foot. Now, we need to get the arms. So, you pretty much just do the torso thing again. So we have how many arms? 2, normally, so we will have to do upper left arm. And then just do the same thing for this. Upper right arm. Now make sure you know how to spell. Yes, so all of this equals, that was right actually, do not remove that, torso colon wait for child, and then whatever it's called, so make sure you spell this right, the same way it's there. So upper right arm or upper left arm. So we're doing left arm. You need to make sure this name is the same as these names. So upper right arm. So I have upper left arm, upper right arm. Cool. Now we just need to do pretty much the same thing as right here for the foot, but do it for the hands or the arms, because there's multiple spots for the arms. So we could do upper arm or lower left arm equals that. Copy it, and then Control V, then remove this stupid gap. Do not ever press. If that ever happens to you, could you press back? It's called the INS thing. It's right by the thing. So that made no sense, but you can find it. It's right next to your backspace. Spent 3 hours trying to figure out why it was broken once. That was smart. So we have upper, yes, that's in torso. Okay, so we have these, and then, no, these are not in torso. These need to be below this, because this is your upper, I'm lost, hang on, upper left arm, upper right arm, that's not upper right arm. I copied and pasted something on accident. So upper right arm, upper left arm, Jesus, okay, whatever. Anyway, these are in torso, these are not in torso, these are in these, so this is left, so it's upper, it's an upper left arm, and then this one's an upper right arm. Upper right arm. If you guys want my keyboard or mouse or anything, I'll put the links in the description, my computer specs, everything. And then we'll just do head, which is easy, so local head equals torso colon wait for child, and then head. So what we're doing here is we're setting what these are. Now Since we, okay, so that's bad actually. We need to get this animation again. So that was smart. File export, because I had to copy and paste so many times. Just Control C, exit. Oops. Let's see here. Oh, we have this. Go into walk, which should be here somewhere. Right here. Paste that in. Now, we could do asset question ID because it might yell at us. Might be like, what does that mean? Be like, well, figure it out, Roblox. Okay, ID equals. Okay, so that is pretty much what we need for walk. So, yay. Here's a problem. So, Roblox is nice. So, we're here and starter care doesn't matter. So, we're in this animation thing. So, walk, if we go into walk, we need to open properties, set the animation to that. Now, the game's going to yell at us if we don't set every single animation to the exact same thing, because other words, it will say, well, that's not a thing, and I'll be like, shut up. So, if you make multiple animations, like idle or whatever, just set the thing to this code, and it will not yell. Should not yell. If it does, then comment, I guess. If this doesn't work, we will fix it. So we have all those, head, leg, blah, blah, blah. Then we change the code, which doesn't really matter. So that's the animation. So now we just need to put the character we made, which I need to, I need to figure out which one. That's the dog. Where's this thing? Okay, we need to put this into a starter character and start the game, and it should work. If it doesn't work, we will fix it, but hopefully it works. And it's anchored still. Make sure to unanchor your humanoid, because you have to anchor it to make animations, and then you have to unanchor it to actually move. So yeah. So it is not working. So what is it throwing at us as a thing? I have it on my other screen here. Oh yeah. I know why. Because we didn't move. We didn't move the things. So yeah. Torso. So this is kind of a pain in the ass. Open up your legs and your arms and all of that. And we need to move the animations and all that. Great. So we have, let's see, left leg, which will go into, or left foot, which will go into left leg, and right foot, which will go into right leg. Oops, wrong leg. Lower arm will go into upper arm. Upper arm, nope. Upper arm, there we go. Now that should be done. Lower right, left, that, head, and torso. So yay. Let's try it. It should work. Of course, it should have worked last time, but I forgot to change the names. Now what? Torso dot upper left arm colon wait for child. Torso dot upper left arm colon wait for upper. Did we spelled something wrong, I'm guessing. Or it's because our hip height's not tall enough. It is throwing an error, but what a surprise. Let's just set it taller. We have to set it to where we can jump, which for some reason... Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, because we never changed it, like, in the script. Okay, now we can jump. Whoa. What was that? Oh, that's the hip height. Shit. 13. Yeah, that's what we need to set it to. So let me set it to 13 in the actual thing, because we didn't do that. which could be why it's not being nice. Hit by 13. It also says find weight for child upper left arm. What? Upper right arm, upper left arm. Upper left arm. Oh! That's why it's not working. Okay, this is supposed to be lower. Sorry guys, I'm stupid, but we're fixing it. Left foot. Wow, that's totally what I was doing. Okay, lower, what is this, right arm? Lower right arm, and lower left arm. That should work. Like, actually should work this time. Let me apply edits because I'm in Team Grade, which wasn't working earlier, and I fixed it somehow. We're at 31 minutes. That's bad. Okay, where are we at? What is the error? Wait. Oh. What is it using? Oh. Well, there's our animation. Just in the idle. One of the idle. That's odd. What is the walk animation? Okay, and then tool, and then maybe I'm just putting the wrong code in. Let's try. I think I'm putting the wrong code in. That's probably why it's not working. Oh, I was putting the wrong code in. That's why it's not working. Wait, so... What? Okay, sorry guys, I'm stupid. Let me get the code again. Select the rig. Well, it's kind of not there anymore. Yeah, I put the wrong code in. Select this thing. I know. File, export. Do this. We need this code because we put the wrong one in last time. Cool. So now we just need to name it, of course. No. Put this in starter player. Sorry, I'm taking so long, and I act like I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. I'm just putting the wrong code in, of course. So yeah, I'm just gonna set every code to that. I think the other code that they gave me was the default one, which is why it didn't do anything except for default things. Okay, maybe that was the other game. I don't know. So we are loading into the game now. Yes. We have the animation. So yeah, that's how you make an animation. It's tweaking out because, we're going through like 20 different things at once. So yeah, if you walk, it's going to do the animation. Now if you're walking very slow, like I am, I don't know why it's doing this like jump thing. I think maybe the humanoid's messed up or something. I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe I turned jump height up too high. That's probably what I did. Oh yeah, that's way too high. Oh, maybe the legs are can collide. That's probably why it's not working. Hang on. Before the video is over, let me double check that. Can't collide, can't collide, can't collide, can't collide, can't collide. That's what we want. We want it to collide. Maybe the height's just too high and it just doesn't want to work. Let's try 10. I don't know what it is because I don't remember how tall I made it. But yeah, we'll figure this out. Okay. I can jump. Yeah, it's just dependent on how you make it. I obviously made it wrong, but... Well, I didn't make it wrong. I just didn't take measurements and all that. But yeah, the animation works like it's supposed to. These are pretty boring because all they do is move. They don't actually, like, move. There's no, like, in-between animation type of thing like I normally do. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!